somewhere complaining of the last IDPs. It means we were not consulted or review process.
Most of the questions ezibuzwa la bayazadotshwa kahle kahle and thina esigodi sine issue dala silebe sihambele ama-backyard dwellers namanje dala sihambisile ama-reports ukuthi izinto zihambiswe kukhansela simbonile u-MMC wakudala before akhishwa kunomusha manje sisakhuluma naye but still I-mention nokumention ukuthi ibekwephi njengoba bathi i-budget complete akusena budget for Ward 68 of which is a problem because now kusho kona ukuthi into yama-backyard dwellers ayibekwa ndawo nayi i-Gulf Cross imile bathi ithengisiwe but yet bayofakani kuyofaka another part yomunye umuntu ukuthi ayenze imali ngayo imisebenzi iphi khona lapho kuyoqhashwa bobani kulezo indawo lezi ezinjalo you understand so mina I just feel ukuthi nje it's just a presentation ebafuna ukuthi just formally si-adopte sivume then baqhubeke with their businesses.
Councillor Chabalala here, representing Action SA. Of course, I attended IDP today as a Davidton. We're not surprised. Some of us are privy to the information before it comes to Umphakathi. But I think what really took me away was the fact that Umphakathi managed to actually connect the dots. You can't have a situation where you bring people to your IDP. And when they ask about the budget, they are not allocated the budget, at least for the next 2 financial years. And people are becoming aware of that. So these processes are becoming a box-ticking exercise for our people. But as Action SA, we are saying this is the last IDP abai attendayo umphakathi wethu under this administration enganakekeleli abantu. Under the Action SA, under government Action SA, we can guarantee that every ward will be allocated funds or budget for our projects because we don't choose where a budget goes to. It is the people and the residents of a Davidton who choose where a budget goes to.
Okay, thank you very much. My name is Councillor Kenneth Mashianuke from the city of Ekurhuleni. We are here in Davidton to deal with an issue of IDP. But basically what we are here for is still the same thing that we normally say is as a city we must do things properly. But when we go to an issue of implementation, we do different things. If I can give you one example, which is here in Davidton, you have an Davidton N12 entrance, which has been there as a project that we should have finished it long time ago. There is a serious corruption there. And then I think the service provider has taken the city to court. And then sitting here, we are not even speaking about what we did, which we haven't finished as the city. So the people who are there, we are just here to tick box. Because what they are doing there is just to tick box. They are not even dealing with issues of community to say what is it that's going to happen in Davidton. We have issues of electricity across. Yesterday it was Davidton for the past 3 days. Today is Etwatwa. We don't know for how many days. It means as the city or the leadership that we are having is failing our people. Really, it's time for us to take our people very serious. I don't know what must happen for the people to understand that when we say we take them serious, we mean when we create jobs to them. We mean when we understand, when we say let's cancel all the debts of people who are deemed indigent by the municipality. The municipality is still insisting on saying those people must pay, and we all agree to say these people can't pay because they don't have money. But where we are sitting, we are having an IT which says they must pay. Pay with what? Because as a city, we agree that they can't afford to pay. But we don't want to cancel the debts. Then it appears as if we still have people who are owing us, whereas we know the people who are owing us are not going to pay us, which is something that when we anticipate that we are going to collect so much, we anticipate even on the same old people or the same people who we deem them as indigent. So we can't allow that as EFF. We are saying as EFF, please, the city manager and the municipality must understand when we say a person can't afford to pay, we must cancel the entire debt of that person. Thank you very much.
Sanibonani Davidton. Mina ngumhlali-mpilo wase Ward 68 eChris Hani Gabon. So
ama-answers ngicabanga ukuthi sizowathola because of i-IDP budget ezayo or I'm fine le khulunywa ngayo ukhulunywa nge-IDP budget ekuwukuthi kuye karizwa ama-grievances before but now abezi ngama-solutions we-IDP yaqala but manje basibonisa nge-IDP ukuthi kukhona ezinye zezinto ekufanele ukuthi thina kufanele ukuthi sizi-adoptise umphakathi wase-Daveyton. So therefore we are saying i-IDP le sibona kuyinto ekuwukuthi ayizusisiza thina somphakathi. Why? Only because of thina sele saba nento bayibiza ukuthi i-petition elidela ukuthi kube ne-memorandum. Sayenza i-memorandum nge-19 zikaMay last year 2025 then up to manje akuna respond eke ukuthi umasipala uke weza kithi bazositshela thina singabahlali base-Ward 68 kakhulukazi eGabon. Then 2 izolo bekune march imarch yabantu bayile bagcine sebayenzani sebayathumela umuntu ungasi MMC ongasi ilona imeya ukuthi makeza azowamkela i-memorandum and of which ithema baqeda lapho basuka bathi banyatsa labantu bebalapha bathi abantu abancane kanje into emele siyimamele la. So okubalekile ukuthi thina singabahlali base-Ward 68 under eGabon siyasho sithi le IDP le ayizusisiza and ayinasizo and sicela ukuthi mayibuyele emuva because of i-budget yase-Ward 68 ayikho from 2025 2026 2027 but ikhona 2028 and 2029. So isidingo sokuthi sibe la sithi sokhuluma nge-IDP asisiboni thina. So sicela ukuthi lokho abafisa ukuthi thina sikwenze okanye mhlawumbe abafisa ukuthi thina siwafake kwama-grievances asiboni ukuthi azoba nosizo next year na next of next year because of ku-budget yethu ku-emthakunanis. So bengizocela ukuthi ke i-Ekurhuleni more especially u-MMC we-Women Settlement makasisize lapha nokube ne-report makasisize kube ne-temporary land uses makasisize kukwazi ukufaka umhlakasi lapha so that kungabi ney'nyokanyoka. Siyabonga.
Hi, Sanmunan community, Remo Wolong, Nali IDP. We have raised our concerns, Zompagati, and we are expecting Guti Pendule, but we know Guti, they do what they always do. They don't come back to us and give us answers. One, I've talked about a clinic, it's overpacked, about replacing staff. That's why we have a mistake they give about the subs now, they are not enough because of replacing our pension. So Gunengi, extension 14 in our problems why Sasa itati mali zabokoko. Tomorrow we will be closing Sasa Nabokoko and saying about cancel our problems but we are saying we won't stop coming and raising our issues because bona bangayenzi umsebenzi wabo kumele bawenze. We'll continue to fight and to raise our issues upon. It's up to people ukuthi bafuna ukulibele bezala bangathola ama answers. Ladies,